Welcome children, welcome to our video lesson. But today I am going to show you the worksheets which are prepared by SCERT, that is State Council of Educational Research and Training, Telangana State, Hyderabad. Especially these are prepared for the students by the government to overcome the pandemic due to COVID-19. Yes, it is for we people only, for us only, for you people only, especially for the children. Most of the teachers took part in this prestigious program, and I would like to introduce this one, and I will explain how to answer these worksheets. Okay, we'll see the first lesson. Let's be friends in that one. It is for fifth class students. We'll see the first worksheet. Yes, already you have seen the video, that is lesson which is telecast yesterday on DD Adagiri. Now let us see once again. I'll ask you people to see the picture, to observe the picture, to look into the picture. Yes, you know the procedure, you know the situation, you know how to read a picture. You will list out the things first of all. By seeing the picture, by observing the picture, you will come to know who is there in the picture, who are there in the picture, what are the things in the picture, where are these people, where are these things placed. Okay, see once, try to understand where could be these people, what it might have been happening over there, what it might have been happening over there. We will think, we will assume, we will open our mind, we will be going on thinking, yeah, something is happening. One may think one boy is pricking the other boy, one other boy may think pricking, pinching, like that. Any kind of teasing process is going on. The other children are, yes, as you people know already, as you have listened to this lesson, I don't want to take you back to that lesson. Right, you know very well, this stout boy, fat boy is Hari, and this boy who is crying over here is Raghu. Okay, so you know very well. Okay, so now when you are observing, you come to know boys and girls are there in the picture. First thing, orally I am saying, later we'll ask the questions whatever they are given over there. And you can see these boys and girls are in uniform, means they are in school. You know very well, when you are in school you will wear the uniform. When you are at home you will wear civil dress, isn't it? Yes, so we can say these people are in school. Especially as they are in school means they will be in their respective classroom. As these people are of class 5, they are in the classroom, fifth classroom. They are in the class 5 room. Right. Okay, and we are finding some words expressed by these people. Somebody is saying help, help, help. Somebody is asking what happened there. Somebody is saying Hari is pinching Raghu. Hey Hari, another one is saying he is naughty boy, he is a naughty boy. Don't go near him, he may pinch you. Right, here like this, these kind of words we can get, sentences we can frame. There is a chart hung on the wall, right? Okay, so you know what happened over there. Okay, by seeing this picture you can say what is happening over there. Now look into that. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. So we have some questions here, we will answer those questions. Look at the picture and write 10 words that you know, means you can identify here. Okay, I think everybody can identify a word boy. Obviously you can say more are there, means you can say boys. Yes or no? Right. Second word. What you can say? Girl. Sir, so many are there, sir. So we can call girls. One means girl, many more than one means girls. What else we can see? There is a chart or there is a picture. In my words I may say picture, you may say chart, no problem. Picture is hung. What else there? What else there? A bag is there. You can note down in your worksheet also. And what else we can see in the picture? There is a bench. So many benches are there. One is bench. Okay. And more are there. So you can say benches. One is bench. More than one is benches. What else you can see? Window is there. Door is there. So I will write at a time here. Okay. I will write here what is there. What you can see? Window is there. What else? One entrance is there, that is door through which we can come and go out, right, into the classroom. What else we can see? Okay, what else we can see? Some actions are also happening. You can list out those actions also. This fellow is laughing, Hari is laughing, Raghu is crying. So you can write some words related to the picture, means you can write the actions also. One boy is laughing, one other boy is crying, Hari is laughing, Raghu is crying, and the boy and girls are behind by the door. They are standing near the door. Okay. Otherwise we can say this is a classroom, especially as we have seen. I will write the word classroom. Yeah, one thing you have to remember, these are not only the words fixed here. You can write so many. You can give so much of information from this one. You can say, sir, why don't we write shoe? Yes, it is a word. Socks, it is a word. Shirt, it is a word. You may say knicker or you may say half pant, that is a word. You can say hair. You can say mouth, you can say lips, you can write as many words you can. Just I gave few words here. Don't think these are limited. These are only the answers. You can write on your own some other words. You may write, sir, I can see greenery in this picture. Yes, greenery is available here. You may say greenery. Yes, it is right, exactly. You may say hand, you may say leg, you may say head, you may say body, you may say ear. You can write as many number of words. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. You have to keep it in mind. You can write as many words that you can list out. Then only we will be able to speak in English. We can talk in English. We can share the information in English. So better you try to list out all the possible words as you can. I gave few words here. One is boy, as many more than one are there boys. Girl, more than one, two girls are there. So girls. Picture, this is a picture here, you can see here, and you can see bag on the, isn't it, bench, and also bag is with the other boy also there. Benches are there. One is bench, more than one means benches. Okay. Window is there. Door is there. One boy, that is Hari, is laughing. One is crying. You can write standing. The other boys, the boy and girls are standing. So it's a classroom. Like this we can, I hope you understood that you can write much more than these, not only 10. Only it's a work given us to write 10. Space is less. You can write 20, you can write 30, you can write as many you can. I hope you will do it later. By seeing the picture only, now we have to fill these blanks. See, here we are given clues. Fill in the blanks with the words given. 4 words are given to us: chart, pinching, to, Raghu. So we have to use the proper word in the proper place. Hari is dash Raghu. If I say Hari is chart Raghu, no meaning. Hari is to Raghu, no meaning. Hari is Raghu. To give a meaningful sentence. Yeah, our intention is to get a meaningful sentence by taking a particular word, appropriate word in the blank. Right. See, if I take chart, no meaning. Hari is chart Raghu, no meaning. Pinching, yes, it will give some meaning. If I take two, Hari is two Raghu, no, it's not. There is no meaning for that sentence. Hari is Raghu Raghu, no meaning. So pinching only supporting us. So definitely what we have to write, we have to write pinching. Yes, Hari is pinching Raghu. Hari is pinching Raghu. This is one sentence you can see. You note down in your notebook. Right. What else? Who is crying for help here? Someone. Yeah, from the picture you come to know Hari is crying here saying help me, somebody come and help me. Yes, from these words you can choose Raghu to answer. Raghu is, what he is doing? He is crying for help. So Raghu is the appropriate word here to complete this sentence. There are dash girls and a boy standing by the door. You know here who is standing by the door. Girls are standing by the door. Boy is there. So you can say how many girls? 1, 2. 2 girls and a boy. So what it should be there in the blank? Yes, you are right. There are 2 girls. We should not write the number, numeral. We should write the spelling. 2 girls. There are 2 girls and a boy standing by the door. And obviously 3 words are used in the appropriate place. So obviously the 4th one is left over, that is chart. So I think you are right. You have to fill the 4th blank with chart. That is, a chart is hung on the wall. Hanging on the, instead of hanging we can say hung on the wall. Right. So I think we can say a chart is hung on the wall. Right. So in this way we can fill the blanks. Some more also given, but as the space, isn't it, sheet, if we are going on giving more questions here, our worksheet will become lengthy and we need more worksheets to be printed. That's what we have done. We have given few blanks only. Right. Next we will see the questions here. We are asked to answer these questions. What are the questions? You can see here. Answer the following. At least in a simple sentence we have to write the answers. We are the 5th class students, so we should write the simple sentences. What is the place in the picture? Yeah, I think your answer is there. Yes. Where are the children? Where are the children? They are in the classroom. Yes. So what is the place? It is the classroom. It is the classroom. Yes, as you know the punctuation, the beginning of the sentence, the first letter should be capital. So I have changed, you see, it is the classroom. Where are the children? They are in the classroom. So answer is, it is the classroom. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? You have seen so many things. Simply you can say so many, but to fulfill the answer, I will write in a single sentence. You can write, you will say, I see children are there in the picture. I see there is a bag on the bench. I see there is a chart on the wall. Like that you can go on writing. Simply I say, what do you see in the picture? Means I'll say, Raghu is crying. I may say, somebody may say, why not we say, why don't we say, Hari is pinching? Yes. Why don't we say the children are observing these people? Why don't we say there is a chart on the wall? Why don't we say there is a bag on the bench? Yes, you can write anyone. There is no restriction. Nobody will say it is right, it is wrong. It is right only. What is happening there? Raghu is found to be crying. What is happening? Raghu is found to be crying. What is happening there? Raghu is found to be crying. Hari is pinching there. Simply you can write Hari is crying. That is also right answer. You need not to go for all these things. Simply you can write Hari is crying. Sorry, Raghu is crying. Hari is pinching. That is another one. I see. What do you see? I see that Raghu is crying. You can continue like this. I see, capital letter must be there. I see that Raghu is crying. See here, capital letter for the name. Yes, you know very well. Punctuation, capital letter should be near, isn't it? Used while writing any name, right? I see that Raghu is crying. Or you simply you may write, I observe Raghu is crying. I see Hari is pinching. Like that, you can write any other sentence. What happened to Raghu? What happened to Raghu? Why he is crying? Why is he crying? Hari pinched Raghu. What happened to Raghu? Hari pinched. What he did? Pinched Raghu. So, he is crying. What happened to Raghu? Raghu was pinched by Hari. Hari pinched Raghu. Because of this reason, why is he crying? He, isn't it? When someone pinches us, what happens? We feel pain. Here also Raghu was feeling pain. So as Hari pinched, I think this is not needed here. As Hari pinched Raghu, he was crying. Okay, simply I will remove this one. No need. Simply you write. This is the answer for both the questions. What happened to Raghu? Raghu was pinched by Hari, and because of that reason he was crying. Right. What are the other children doing? What are the other children doing? Just they are standing by the door, by the wall, by the door, and they are feeling, they are afraid of this boy. That's what they don't want to come to the boy Hari who is pinching. Right. What are the other children doing? The other children means there are two girls and a boy. The other children are standing by the door. You can write your answer in other words also. This meaning should be there. There is no restriction that you should use the same terminology, same wording. You can use your own wording, right? The other children are standing by the door. They are standing by the door. They don't want to get inside. That's what they are standing over there, right? What else? What do you what do you do if someone pinches you? Really, you have to tell me. Or someone hurts you. Will you pinch him back? Will you fight with him, or will you run away from that place? If I were there, what do I do? You know, what do I do? You know, I will not. What I will do? I may inform. I will inform our class teacher. I don't want to say that you should do the same thing, but better we have to inform our class teacher or some other teacher. Isn't it? We should not fight with that fellow. Fighting is not good for anyone. Fighting with others. If you also pinch that fellow, there is no meaning. There is no change. There is no difference between you and that fellow. So it is better to inform our class teacher or any other teacher if class teacher is not available, or you can inform to our headmaster or headmistress, whoever they are available in that time. Right, Nana? I hope you will do the same thing as I did. Okay, I used to do. Right, we will see now the last question of this worksheet. What is that one? How do you feel someone hurts you with words or actions? Somebody is scolding you, somebody is pinching you, somebody is pricking you, somebody is teasing you. How do you feel? Definitely, yes, your answer is right this time. Nobody feel good. I feel bad. Yeah, simply I will write I feel bad. Definitely everyone feels bad. If anyone is hurting us, how we would be happy with those words, how we would be happy with those actions, definitely everybody will be feeling bad. I too, you too, everyone will feel bad. Thank you, children. We'll see next worksheet in the next class. I hope you have understood the answers and you come to know how to answer the questions also. See once again, reading this picture orally, getting the words into your mind, taking those words. Now we have listed here few words: boy, boys; girl, girls; picture, bag, bench, benches; window, door; laughing, crying, classroom. Already I told you these are only not the words that we can list. From this one you can list so many other words you write in your classwork. I hope you people will do that one. Right. Next, when we are asked to fill in the blanks with the words given, clues are given. We have to use, once we have to apply these words, as I told you, to frame a complete sentence. The meaningful sentence should be framed. Hari is pinching. Pinching is used here. Raghu is crying for help. Raghu is used here. There are two girls and a boy standing by the door. Two is used here. A chart is hanging on the wall. Chart is used here. Next, one word, one sentence questions are there. Answers to be given here for these questions. What is the place in the picture? Yes, already we have discussed. It is the classroom. What do you see in the picture? I see that Raghu is crying. What else we can see? What happened to Raghu? Why is he crying? Hari pinched Raghu, that's what he is crying. What are the other children doing? The other children are standing by the door. The other children are standing by the door. What do you do if someone pinches or hurts you? I will inform our class teacher or my class teacher. You can write my class teacher also, no problem. Okay, right? How do you feel when someone hurts you with words or actions? Words means using the abused words, teasing us, scolding us, using different abused words. In that case also we feel bad. And actions, beating us, hitting us, pushing us, okay, making us to fall down. So in that case I feel bad. If any other answer is there, yes, you can write. If you feel happy, you write that only, I feel happy, like that you write. If you feel some other thing, okay, you express your own expression. Just I am giving one kind of answer over here. This is not the final answer. You can write your own answer. I hope you all will do this one and you all will be waiting for the next one. I